Hi Luca, thank you for your time.
No problem. Hi, how are you? Good?
Yeah, we're fine, thank you. Well, you played now in 4 of the 5 major leagues. Can you compare these 4 major European tournaments?
Yeah, I think, like I said to you, for me the best league is the Premier League. Totally clear. The intensity physically is the difference is very important, and you can enjoy the Premier League every weekend. Every weekend is a tough opponent, and I think is why every player wants to play in England.
How did you adapt to all these different styles of football? Did it give you any trouble?
Oh. No. I think I'm a easy guy.
Adaptable.
Yeah, adaptable, and for me, it doesn't matter. I just go out and try to speak the language quick as I can. And the Italian I speak after 1 month. The English I work at school before, and I try to do my best quick as I can. And no, I think it's really important to learn the language first, to understand the people outside the football, and inside too is really important for the lifestyle in the club, in the dressing room too, to understand everything, everybody, and to adapt yourself.
Yeah. When you were still at the academy at Lille, a certain Slovenian footballer played for Lille, Mile Acimovic. Do you remember him?
Yeah, he scored against Manchester United, no?
Yeah.
In Champions League. Yeah.
Did you
I
know
remember. I think I was in the stadium. I was in the stadium with my father, like a lost fan, and no, it was amazing moment for the club. And
so let's just talk briefly about your ambition with Aston Villa. It seems your trajectory is only pointing upwards. Do you have big goals for this season?
No, we want to achieve the season and to get the Europe. Of course, it's part of our job and is our dream. We are not contender at the beginning, but there is a biggest club with big money. But we show last year we can compete, and we want to do again. Because when you reach the level and you can play Champions League, it's just a dream for us, for the fans, and we just want to be back again.
Yeah, and you have a coach who is quite used to success, we would say.
Yeah, of course. Since the manager has arrived, he brings a new mentality, and everybody is behind him, and we are following. When he gives us the game plan, everything is right, and we are doing well.
Luca, thank you very much, and we'll talk soon.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you so much.